Hey, good Saturday morning, everyone. Thought I'd do a quick weather video for you as we head into the second half of this long, for many, holiday weekend. Hope you enjoyed the Thanksgiving holiday with friends and family, maybe did some shopping. Today's Small Business Saturday, so it's a good day to hit up some local businesses if you still have some shopping left to do today. And what will the weather be like if you're going to be out and about today? Well, the answer is kind of like the last couple of days. It's kind of dreary today. A lot of low clouds around. What I'm showing you here is kind of a look upstairs in the atmosphere. You see these orange and yellow colors. That's a disturbance in the atmosphere, an area of spin up at about 18,000 feet. We call it vorticity in the meteorological world. And what this often does is it leads to inclement weather. We've got a couple of showers of rain and wet snow around parts of the region this morning. I'll show you the radar in just a second. But we've got this little disturbance moving through today, and later on today and into tonight, notice this pushes east, and so I think that'll put an end by tonight to most of the little bit of a rain shower and maybe wet snow shower activity, and better things are to come for the second half of the weekend. The radar this morning is not particularly active. I mean, we've got a couple of sprinkles, couple of light showers north of the turnpike mostly, couple of wet snowflakes up towards southwest New York, but there's not a lot going on right now, and I don't expect today to be one of those days where a lot goes on. But here's our high-resolution model, which oftentimes looks a little overdone. But as you can see, the bottom line here, here's Youngstown. As we go into the midday and the afternoon, especially north of Youngstown, you could see a quick rain shower. Could there be a wet snowflake trying to mix in? That's possible. But this threat for some sprinkles or some showers will be around for a lot of the day today, but most of the day it'll be just cloudy, just kind of like yesterday. Not real nice outside, but hey, this is late November in Northeast Ohio. This is what we expect. We expect it to be pretty cloudy. Again, the threat for a quick shower continues maybe into this evening, especially in the northern parts of our viewing area. I think the weekend will end on a pretty nice note tomorrow after a cloudy start. Here's Sunday afternoon. High pressure is trying to build in from the west. Any precipitation should be out to our east, and we'll get into some afternoon sun. It's another very busy travel day at the end of the Thanksgiving holiday weekend, and the weather should cooperate just fine for tomorrow. Sneak peek at the new work week. Looks like a windy, warm storm heading our way for the first part of the week. Notice our ISO bars here on Monday packed very tightly. The wind will pick up, and it'll be way too warm for any snow with this. This will be rain for Monday night and heading into parts of the day on Tuesday. And behind that, it does not really cool off. It's still pretty mild into midweek. In fact, check out our 16-day temperature trend in the latest European model. We could touch 60 or better, I think, on Tuesday. It depends on the timing of the rain. But we have a shot at that, and it looks to stay pretty mild into Wednesday, and then kind of a retreat back to normal towards the end of the week and into next weekend. But notice in this 16-day period, the models are not advertising much in the way of significant cold through at least the first week or so of December. Now, keep in mind, the averages in early December are in the upper 30s to around 40. That's where it should be. It should be cold. But no abnormal cold is expected through the first week of December. The rest of December could be a little bit of a different story. So we'll touch on the longer range more in future videos. But I hope you have a great rest of this holiday weekend. I'll see you back in the studio on Monday. Be sure you're following meteorologist Andrew DiPaolo and meteorologist Candace Monticelli. They're the weekend crew. They've got you covered on 21 News.